Students, today we will see the sum of first n terms of the AP. Suppose, see our AP is like this: A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. These are the sequence of AP. Now, how to find out the sum of all these sequence? Sum of n terms of AP. See, if you may have 10 terms, how to find out the sum of 10 terms? You may have 20 terms, so how to find out the sum of 20 terms? You may have 100 terms, how to find out the sum of 100 terms? You may have thousands of terms, how to find out those sums? So, see, like how to find out the nth term of the sequence? Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In the similar way, how to find out the sum of nth term of the sequence? Okay, so n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the formula. Okay, by using this we are going to find out the sum of n terms of an AP. Let us see how to find out. One example I will give. Here, for example, find the sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 150. Now look at this. What are the odd numbers from 1 to 150? That means first odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. What will be the last odd number from 1 to 150? 149. Okay. Now, here, what is T1? 1. What is T2? 3. What is T3? 5, etc. But here what is Tn? Nth term 149. Nth term is 149. Now, here what is D? We have to find out. What is D? What is D here? 2. See here, D equal to T2 minus T1 equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, D equal to T3 minus T2 equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Okay. Now, we have A equal to 1, D equal to 2 and Tn equal to 149. So, now see here the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So, to find out this, you should know the value of n, a and D. Now, we are knowing the value of a and D, but what is required now? N. So, to find out the n, one helpline is given. Nth term of the AP is 149. So, Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. What is Tn but 149 equal to a is 1. So, n minus 1 into D is 2. So, 149 equal to 1 plus 2n minus 2. So, 149 you take it here, minus 1 plus 2 equal to 2n. 141 50 equal to 2n. Therefore, n equal to 150 upon 2 equal to 75. Now, you see, if you want to find out the sum of the nth term, you need to have the value of n, value of a and the value of D. So, now we have got all a, D and n. Therefore, now substitute. Okay. So, S 75 equal to, that means how many odd numbers are there from 1 to 150? There are 75. So 75 upon 2 into 2 into 1 plus 75 minus 1 into 2. So equal to 75 upon 2 into 2 plus 74 into 2. So 75 upon 2 into 2 plus 148. So 75 upon 2 into 150. So 75. So 75 are 5625. Now listen what I have explained. See, you are going to find out the sum of odd numbers from 1 to 150. So first of all, you are writing what are the odd numbers. Starting odd number is 1, 3, 5, etc. What will be the last odd number? 149. So now here first term is A, that is 1, and common difference is 2. Okay, so you are knowing A and D. Now what you have to find out? N. To find the value of n, they had given nth term is 149. So by using this formula to find n, so we have used and we got the value of n as 75. Then you have substituted, you got the values. Now practice set 3.3 we will see. Practice set 3.3. First sum. First term of AP is 6 and common difference is 3. Find S27. See, it is a different type of sum. See the sequence is in AP. Okay, first term is 6. That means what is that? Here A equal to T1 equal to 6. And what is the common difference? 3. Okay. Now what you have to find out? S27. Now look at this. Here what is n? N equal to 27. So you are knowing the value of A, you are knowing the value of D, and you are knowing the value of n. That's all. So Sn equal to n upon 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So S27 equal to 27 upon 2 into 2 into 6 plus 27 minus 1 into 3. So 27 upon 2 into 12 plus 26 into 3. So 27 upon 2 into what you will get? 12 plus 78. So 27 upon 2 into 90. 45. So you will get 1215. Very simple it is. Okay. So now in this way you can find out the sum of the terms of the AP. Okay. Now next one. Second one we will do quickly. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Now here very carefully you have to listen. Now find the sum of first 123 even natural number. What are the even natural numbers, you tell me? 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. But we do not know what will be the 123rd even natural number. So now you tell me how to find out the even natural number 2 into n. Put n equal to 1, so you will get 2. Put n equal to 2, you will get 4. Put n equal to 3, you will get 6. So the terms will be of the form 2n. Okay. Now listen very carefully. What is here a then? A equal to t1 equal to 2. Now what is d? What is d here? t2 minus t1, which is equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Now how many natural number, even natural numbers are there? 123. So n is also given to you. Therefore Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. See, a is given, d is given, n is given. So S123 equal to 123 upon 2 into 2 into 2 plus 123 minus 1 into d. So 123 upon 2 into 4 plus 122 into 2. So 123 upon 2 into 4 plus 244. So 123 upon 2 into 248, 124. If you multiply, what you will get? 15252. So when you add 123 even numbers and their sum, that will be 15252. Now we will do another sum, third sum. Third sum is what? Find the sum of all even numbers between 1 and 350. Now look at this. See, what is the difference between the first sum and this sum? Now look at this here. We will see like this. What are the even numbers? You tell me. The even numbers between 1 and 350 are, first even number is 2, 4, 6. Now last even number is 350. But they said between, so this is not included, this is not included, so 348. So what is the last even number? 348 between 1 and 350. Okay, now what we have to do is, now here a equal to 2 or a equal to t1 equal to 2. So d equal to t2 minus, sorry, here t2 equal to 4, t3 equal to 6, t2 minus t1, 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So d equal to t3 minus t2, which is equal to 6 minus 2, which is equal to again 2. Okay. Now we are knowing the value of a here, a equal to 2, d equal to 2. Now n you have to find out. What we have to find out? We have to find out the value of n. But what is the nth term? See, given, nth term is given. Therefore, now Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. To find n. So Tn is what? 348 equal to 2 plus n minus 1 into 2. So 348 equal to 2 plus 2n minus 2. Cancel. So 2n equal to 348. So for n equal to 348 upon 2, 174. Now we got a, d and n. So what will be the sum of the terms of AP, Sn equal to n by 2 into A2A plus n minus 1 into D. So, Sn, or you can find out, suppose if you are knowing first term and the last term, then another formula is also there, you can easily find out. See, T1 plus Tn. If you know the first term and the last term of an AP, then you can find the value of Sn using this formula n by 2 into T1 plus Tn. That means S 174 equal to 174 upon 2. What is the first term? 2. What is the last term? 348. So 174 upon 2 into 350. So 175. So which is equal to 30450. This will be your answer. Therefore, sum of all even number between it is written 1 and 350 is 30450. This is how we have to find out the value of Sn. Now next sum. Next sum is very important. In an AP, 19th term is 52 and 38th term is 128. Find the sum of first 56 terms. This is little tricky sum but interesting. So we will do it. What is given? First term you are not knowing. Let the first term of AP be A. Let the common difference of AP be D. Okay. Now T19 is given to you. T given T19 equal to 52. That means what is the formula? Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T19 equal to A okay. So A plus n minus 1 into D. Now 19th term A plus 19 minus 1 into D. So what is T19 but 52? A plus 18D. This is equation number 1. Now another one, T38 is 128. Now T38 equal to 128. Same thing. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T38 equal to A plus 38 minus 1 into D. 38 minus 1 into D. So T38, what is the T38 now? 128 equal to A plus 37D. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now listen very carefully. Here we will have to do this sum by using equation 1 and 2. Okay. How to do it? S 56 equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, what is n here? 56. Yes, 56 equal to 56 upon 2 into 2a plus 56 minus 1 into d. Okay, 56 minus 1 into d. So, now it is equal to 56 upon 2, 28, 2a plus 55d. Now, look at this. Suppose if you are knowing the value of this, then you think that you have got the value of yes 56. For that, what you have to do? Now, adding equation 1 and 2 here, adding equation 1 and 2, what you will get? You see here, a here 52 plus 128 equal to a plus 18d plus a plus 37d. So, 180 equal to 2a plus 18 plus 37, 40, 55. Now, this is equation number 3. Now, look at this, these two. See here, what is the value of 2a plus 55d? 180. So, here we will write 28 into 180 from equation 3. From equation 3. So, what will be the value? Will be getting 5040. Okay. Therefore, sum of first 56 term look at this, how we have done. What we have done is, see, by using these two conditions, we have got the value of yes 56 like this way. Okay. Now, next one. Now, next sum you can try, another one I will do, 6 sum. The sum of first 55 terms of AP is 3300. Find the 28th term. That means, listen very carefully, S55 is given 3300 to find T28. What you have to find out is T28. Okay, now let the first term of AP be A. Let the common difference of AP be D. Now, Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now, what is given? S55. Put n equal to 55. Because n is equal to 55 they are given. Okay. So, 55 upon 2 into 2a plus 55 minus 1 into d. So, 55 upon 4 into 2a plus 54d. This is given to you. Now, look at this, 55 upon here, but what is the value here? 3300. Now, in these two, what is common? 2 is common. So, 2 we will take it out. A plus 27D. So, 3300 into 2 upon 55 equal to a plus 27d, which is equal to this. If you simplify, you'll get 90 a plus 27d. This is equation number 1. See, what we got is this answer we got by using the given information. What is the given information? Yes, 55 equal to 3300. Now we have to find out T28. To find T28, what is Tn formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. So T28 equal to A plus 28 minus 1 into d. So T28 equal to A plus 27d. Now look at this. What is A plus 27d? It is 90. Therefore, T28 equal to 90 from equation 1. Therefore, the 28th term is, sorry, here it is 60 will come now. Sorry, it is 60. So here it is 60. That's all. Now look at this, what we did. We used the given information and got the value of A plus 28, because we know that the 28th term means it will become A plus 27d. So we have correlated and got the answer. Now next one we will do sum number 7. So this is also very important sum. In an AP, sum of 3 consecutive term is 27 and their product is 504. Find the terms. Now listen very carefully. Suppose if they have not given like this, then if you are having 3 terms, then you take it as A minus D, A plus D. Okay, you can take A plus B, A plus 2D also, but when simplifying, no, you will be getting little lengthy step otherwise. So you can use this for convenience. Okay, now let see 3 consecutive term we do not know, so we have to assume those 3 consecutive terms. Therefore, let the 3 consecutive term of this AP or A minus D, A plus D. Okay. Now, what is the first condition? From first condition, what is the condition says? Sum of 3 term is 27. That means what is sum means what? Addition. A minus D plus A plus D equal to 27. So remove the bracket. A minus D plus A plus D equal to 27. So you are getting 3A equal to 27. Therefore A equal to 9. So you are knowing A. Now what you have to do? You have to find out the value of D also. Correct? But what is the second condition? Their product is 504. From second condition, what is the second condition says? product of these three terms equal to 504. So, a minus d multiplied by a plus d is equal to 504. Now, we will substitute the value of a. 9 minus d, 9 plus d is equal to 504. So, 9 minus d into 9 plus d, a minus b into a plus b, 9 square minus d square equal to 504 upon 9, which is equal to 56. So, 9 nines are 81 minus d square equal to 56. We take it here, take this side. So, 81 minus 56 equal to d square. Therefore, d equal to square root of 25 equal to plus or minus 5. See, now you have got the value of a and you have got the value of d also. Okay. So, here we will substitute. Therefore, the three consecutive numbers are a minus d, a plus d. First we will take plus 5. So, what is a? 9 minus 5, 9 plus 5. That means 4, 9, 14. If d equal to minus 5, here what you have taken? If d equal to plus 5 we have taken, then the three consecutive numbers are a minus d, a plus d. So, 9 minus 5, comma 9 plus minus 5. So, 14, 9 and 4. So, the consecutive terms are, you can write 4, 9, 14 or 14, 9 and 4. This will be the answer. I think this is very interesting sum. Now, we will do the next one actually. This is also very interesting. Find the 4 consecutive numbers. See, now earlier we have seen 3 consecutive number, now 4 consecutive numbers. So, directly we will do it. Let the 4 consecutive terms in an AP are a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Okay. Now, what is the condition says? From first condition. What is the first condition says? You see, sum of all these 4 terms is 12. So, sum of these 4 terms equal to 12. So, we will sum a minus d, a plus d plus a plus 2d equal to 12. So, remove the bracket, a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 2d, 12. What will get cancelled? So, how many a's are there? 4a plus 2d equal to 12. So, again you can take common 2. So, dividing by 2. So, 2a plus d equal to 6. This you will get one equation. Now, what is the second condition? Second condition is that sum of third and fourth term is 14. From second condition, sum of third and fourth term is 14. What is third term? A plus D plus A plus 2D equal to 14. So remove the bracket. So 2A plus 3D equal to 14. It is equation number 2. So now what you have to do, as usual, we have to simplify. 2A plus D equal to 6. 2A plus 3D equal to 14. Solving. Now look at this. This A is having coefficient same, at the same time same sign. So we will subtract. Minus, minus, minus. So minus 2D equal to minus 8. Therefore D equal to minus 8 upon minus 2 equal to 4. Now we will substitute it in equation 1. Substituting D equal to 4 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 2A plus D equal to 6. So 2A plus 4 equal to 6. 2A equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Therefore A equal to 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. Therefore the terms of the terms are, what is that? A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Just substitute. 1 minus, what is D? 4. 1. 1 plus 4, comma 1 plus 2 into 4. So minus 3, 1, 5, 9. These are the 4 consecutive terms of this AP. I hope you understood. Now we will do the word problems in the next class, right?